Alright, we got the all new WT2, absolutely no ballast, going at about 11.4, 11.3. Got Chris, myself on the boat, no ballast, getting ready to check out the Nautic Curl surf tab. Stand by.
All right, so here we go. He's about to put the Nautic Curl surf tab on the side. All right, let's see how it does.
All right, so we'll go ahead and throw it in gear. This is factory WT2, no ballast. Suction cup. I'm gonna move to that side. So I'm sitting on the opposite side. That's what the surf wave looks like. I weigh about 210 to 220 pounds, fluctuating, fat boy. Move over to this side. That's the wave you got. All right, we're gonna stop for a minute. We're gonna fill up both rear ballast bags or ballast tanks and let you know what that looks like. That's a pretty clean wave from factory boat and a surf wedge. All right, so on the Heyday, super easy. You got left and right ballast. You just hit them in full or empty for fill and empty. Two switches. On the WT2, you got right around this vicinity here, about an 800 pound. Same thing over here, 800 pound. So a total of 1,600 pounds of factory ballast. We're gonna run just factory ballast, about 11.4, 11.6, with one suction wedge on the side. Two people on the boat, that's it. Just so you know, not hiding anything in the front. Nothing under the nose. Get a peek at all the storage WT2's got. Nothing in there. Storage underneath of every seat. Got a center locker here, we'll show you that in a minute. I do have ballast bags there, but they are dead empty. We're gonna try to fill one up today as well with this video. Nothing in there, that's part of the ballast, factory ballast. So if you wanna see, absolutely nothing in these seats either. Same thing, nothing. No peoples, but us two. We'll be back as soon as they're full. All right, we're back. So yeah, you just hit the fill switches on the Heydays, on the WT1 and the WT2. Once they're full, they just kick out the breathers on both sides. So now that you know that is full, we'll go ahead and cut those off, and we'll check out the surf wave. So this is once again factory ballast, 800 pounds on each side, 800 pound in tanks, solid tanks, no bags, and one suction surf wedge. I'm going to stay on this side of the boat, factory ballast, Nautic Curl wedge on the side, and two people. That is pretty freaking clean. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it's like when you go and move to the back seating. just so you know, I'm 6'2". My feet still aren't touching the end of the boat. Worst angle ever for a surf wave. Still pretty clean. Alright. Go ahead and pull it out. So that is factory ballast suction wedge, 2 people on the boat. Let's go ahead and throw a center fat sack in, Chris. What do you think?
I think that's a good idea.
All right, I'd like to take a moment to thank our sponsors. Think a moment. Fly High Fat Sacks. They're actually sponsoring our surf tournament. So it's got a regular tsunami pump. Throw it over the side. Went old school. We can actually plumb these in on any boat. We're just going to test it out with a 750 in the ski locker. It's literally got enough room in there where we could run 1100 bag, no problem. I mean, this goes all the way up to the front of the boat. But we're gonna fill this bad boy up. Check out the surf wave. 2 people, 1 fat sack, factory ballast, not a curl wedge. You can also use any other kind of suction wedge on this boat. Quick Shift makes one. Man, there's 50,000 of them, it seems, on the market right now. But any of them work. We actually run Wakesurf surf tabs on a lot of our boats as well, on the YMT WT1 YMT edition. So that way you can actually go through and transfer. We have one of the only transferring Heydays on the market. Pretty cool. But we're gonna fill this up. All right, we got the 750 full. Slap full. We're gonna go ahead and leave it on the same side. Check the wave out. Same speed, 11.4, 11.6. All right, whenever the rollers get done, take it. Nice little curl going. Once again, that's factory boat. Factory ballast, 750 bag, 2 guys. Might as well count on minimum of 200 each. I'm sitting at the front of the boat. Once again, I'll walk back here to the back. Add another 200 pounds. All day long. Alright, let's switch sides. Alright, we're going to slow it down and switch the sides.
Alright, so he's switching the sides now. It's a pretty sticky suction cup right there. Take it off.
got it too far back. That's it.
Easy as that.
Easy as that. All right, video's approaching 10 minutes, getting a little longer than what I wanted, but just trying to give y'all the best idea of how this thing does. Side is switched. I'm sitting on the opposite side of the boat as he gets up to speed. Bam! All you goofy footers.